Let's learn how to sign into your PlayStation account. First, let's open PlayStation app on your phone. Now you can see this starting page of PlayStation app and go to look in the bottom of the screen and you can see white button where is written sign in and click on it. Next, in this bar, you need to enter your sign-in ID. Remember that the sign-in ID is your email address, and when you enter it, click on next white button below to the bar. When you enter your email address, you will be asked to enter your password and go to enter it and click on sign in white button. Next, if you have 2 steps of verification like me, PlayStation app will send you a verification code and you need to copy it or remember it and just enter that code. Then when you enter it, you can see white button where is written verify and go to click on it and wait for PlayStation app to send you to your account. After that, you need to confirm you want the PlayStation app access to your information, and that's it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.